Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Goode with your weekly update. The city of Prescott held its first Safe Haven Baby Box blessing last Monday at Fire Station 71. I'm proud that our city has been chosen as the first city in Arizona to offer this service. Sometimes young mothers must make very difficult decisions, and this Safe Haven Baby Box brings another choice for them. Many mothers in crisis want and need anonymity when surrendering an infant, either because of fear of being recognized or fear of prosecution due to the lack of knowledge and misunderstanding of the Safe Haven law. Safe Haven baby boxes help prevent illegal abandonment of newborns while ensuring the safety and well-being of infants. These boxes provide an anonymous, safe, and legal last resort option for surrender, not just for Prescott residents, but for all Arizonans. The box is temperature controlled and equipped with multiple alarm systems to ensure first responders can quickly attend to a surrendered baby while giving the parent time to leave. According to the law in Arizona, a Safe Haven newborn is an unharmed infant who is 30 days old or younger, and the infant is delivered by a parent or an agent of the parent to a Safe Haven provider. Safe Haven baby boxes bring awareness to the Safe Haven laws and options for parents. Safe Haven also provides resources such as the 24/7 hotline for parents in crisis. If you or someone you know needs to access this service, please go to Fire Station 71 at 333 White Spar Road in Prescott. Starting this week, the City of Prescott Solid Waste Division is changing residential trash and recycling collection days. This change is being made to improve efficiency, enhance customer service, and manage increasing customer counts. The city has mailed notification flyers to customers affected by these collection day changes. If you need to find out whether your collection day is changing, please visit PrescottRecycles.com. Under What's My Pickup Day, click on Search for Pickup Day, enter your address, and your collection day will be provided. The city appreciates your support and understanding during this transition period. The City of Prescott is seeking public comment on the draft 2025 General Plan document. The 60-day public comment period started on September 23rd and lasts through November 21st. The general plan is a land use policy guide and provides a vision of what the city will likely become in 10 years. Community input to implementing the community vision is important, and your participation is encouraged. The city will host a public open house for the general plan on October 24th at the Prescott Library in the Founders Room from 3 to 6 p.m. Staff and committee members will be on hand to answer your questions about the proposed general plan. A virtual meeting room is also available for the public to visit and provide comments. Access to the meeting room is on the planprescott.com website under 60-day public comment period. We do not have either an executive session or a study session tomorrow for the City Council. During the 3 p.m. City Council voting meeting, we will consider approving an increase in development impact fees. We will also have a presentation, discussion, and take possible action on hiring a dedicated workforce housing staff member or, alternately, a contract employee or consulting firm. Funding for this position is available through a $200,000 State Housing Trust Fund grant. $50,000 will be dedicated to a housing needs assessment report. The remaining $150,000 will be available for a housing manager position or consultant. In other meetings, there is a Planning and Zoning Commission meeting on Thursday, October 10th at 9 a.m. in the council chambers. This meeting will be streamed live on Channel 64 and on our social media channels. The Pedestrian, Bicycle, and Traffic Advisory Committee meets next Monday at 9:30 a.m. in the Public Works Conference Room on Virginia Street. Between now and the general election in November, I'm providing facts and information about the Prescott public safety needs as they relate to Proposition 478. City of Prescott tax revenues pay for public safety needs. Other municipalities in the Quad Cities do not have dedicated fire and/or police departments. This means that in addition to the transaction privilege tax charged in other municipalities, these other municipalities have higher property taxes to cover their fire services. Total taxes in the city of Prescott are less than half of the other local communities, even after taking potential Proposition 478 revenues into consideration. If Proposition 478 passes, all funds received from this tax will be solely dedicated to these needed public safety services. In sharing this information with you, please understand that these statements are meant to be factual and informative in nature and are not intended to support or oppose any ballot measures. Only 2 more Proposition 478 open houses are scheduled before the election. The first is on Saturday, October 12th at Fire Station 74 on Smoke Tree Lane from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. The last one will be on Thursday, October 17th at the Police Department from 6 to 8 p.m. The open houses allow the public to see the fire stations and police station and develop a better understanding of needed renovations and upgrades. To all who have attended the open houses so far, I want to thank you for your interest and participation. I hope they were helpful to your understanding of why the council voted to bring Proposition 478 to the voters. If you are unable to attend the open houses, the ParticipatePrescott.com website has a lot of information on Proposition 478, including copies of the public open house information boards. We would also appreciate it if you could take the quick survey. This allows us to learn from you and respond to your questions and concerns. I'm Mayor Phil Goode, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.